Alright, the bidet final installation. The only thing we really needed to buy was this slip joint adapter. Home Depot for $5.99, 3/8 in outer diameter, outer diameter by 1.5 in PS. And so that's the SKU number there, 01225 at the end. So to install this, you pretty much put a piece of plastic there, and this thing slides in the plastic adapter, and then you have two rubber nut that you put underneath, and then the screws, they go into that rubber adapter, and then it holds the adapter there, and then this slides in. And so that's pretty fast. Next thing is just to finish the thought on that, the rubber adapter looks like that, and so the metal piece is on the top, and you just push it in, and it has like a little like hourglass body, and then that hourglass body touches the bottom going up, and then that's how it stays in there. So everything from the bottom up, you don't have to put this stuff on the bottom, from the top going down. Now the other thing is that water connector, that connection that I'm talking about, this 3/8 to 1/2, well, on one side of the wall they gave you a adapter for that. Hold on. And then the other side, I had to go buy that, and that's how my toilet was to connect there. And other than that, everything else was simple.
Oh my. But you did this when we were gone?
Yeah.
I'm gonna use this, bye.